Congratulations on the purchase of your Kiiroo Onyx Plus. Charging. To charge your device, look on the back side of your Onyx Plus. You will find the charging port. Remove the protection cap and insert the micro USB charger into the charging port. Once plugged into the power, a blinking red light will appear above the power button. This indicates that the device is charging. The light will turn solid red when the device is fully charged, approximately 4 hours. Getting started. Remove the cap from the Onyx Plus and snap out the protection ring. Remove the Onyx Plus sleeve from its hygiene cover and insert it into the device. Snap the ring back to lock the sleeve in place. Turn device around and lube the sleeve and yourself generously. We recommend using Kiiroo lubes for the best experience. Push the power button for approximately 3 seconds until the device turns on. The Onyx Plus is now in interactive mode. Modes. Interactive mode. To pair the Onyx Plus with interactive content or your partner's toy, watch one of these 2 videos. Manual mode. Click the power button once. The light will turn purple. You are now in manual mode. Swipe up on the touchpad to stroke up, swipe down to stroke down. Automatic mode. Click the power button once. Now you are in automatic mode. There are 4 automatic patterns. Cycle through them simply by pressing the power button. Swipe up to increase the speed of the pattern. Swipe down to decrease it. To turn off the Onyx Plus, press the power button for approximately 3 seconds. Enjoy your new interactive experience.